Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Get Glowing with Akansha. Hope you all are doing well. So guys, I'm back with yet another review video, and today I'm gonna review is a facial oil from the brand Plum. This is their grapeseed and sea buckthorn glow restore face oil blend. Okay, so I'm going to review this product, and trust me, I have used this product this is not actually my first bottle, this is my second bottle, and I have used it so much. So now I'm ready to tell you whether it works or not and what it does to your skin and what not. So if you're interested, keep on watching the video, and also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like my video. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so firstly I'll start with the packaging and what the product claims, and then I'll come to what was my experience with the product. Okay, so coming to its packaging, it comes in a good cardboard box like this, which is quite decent. It cost for 775 rupees, which is a bit expensive, but you will easily get your hands on this, and like online when there's a discount going on, you can easily get it for like 500 to 600 bucks, so that is quite affordable, and for that price you get 30 ml of the product. Okay, so that's good. When you open it, you get this a little cute insight of what the product is all about, and this is the actual product. And see, this is my second bottle, and you can see that I have almost finished it. Okay, there's just a little bit left, and so it comes in a very this type of frosty jar, which is good. When a product comes in a glass bottle like this, I just love it so much. I don't know why, because it ensures that the company has made it with intense care, and like it just makes me feel happy about the product. So yeah. Okay, so let's come to what the product claims to do. Okay, so in this inside you can see that it has written like it is a blend of 10 oils, okay, which is 100% natural compounds. And what are its goals? It has just two primary goals, that is to banish your dryness and to get you glowing skin. Okay, so it claims to give you that soft supple skin, and also to provide a lot of glow to your face. Okay, and you can see this is how it looks like. It is written like each oil what it does to your skin. It is written over here like sweet almond oil, it is rich in vitamin E and omega-3 fatty acids, which will hydrate and protect your skin. Then it has rosehip oil, that will slow down your aging. Then it has argan oil, that will erase the inflammation that is caused in your skin. Then there's a grapeseed oil, which will reduce the clogged pores. If you have the problem of clogged pores, then it will help in reducing that as well. It has apricot seed oil, which will heal your skin. And it has olive oil, that will repair the damaged skin. So these are the oils, and it is given like what each oil does to your skin. So this is good, this is very informative as well. And now coming to the actual product. So coming to the actual product, this is the actual product. It comes in a dropper like this, which is actually very convenient to use. And also it is a facial oil. Okay, it's an oil, though it is a lightweighted oil, but because it's a oil, this is not suitable for like oily skin type people or like very sensitive type of people. No, they can't use it. Stay away from this, otherwise it will clog your pores, and I know that for sure. It is great, this oil is great for like dry skin type people, very dry skin type people, or even for normal and combination also, it's quite good for them. But for like oily skin and sensitive skin, like I don't think it's that good for you. It will clog your pores. And if you are sensitive to smell, okay, firstly it has a lot of fragrance in it. If you are sensitive to fragrance, don't use this, because it has a lot of fragrance, and that can irritate your skin as well. Some people even break out, like some people even break out by the smell also, by the fragrance. I have heard that. So if you don't like fragrance, don't use it. And see, this is see how instantly my hand is glowing. It gets absorbed really well, and it is a lightweight oil. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so now before telling you my experience with the product, let's just see how to apply it, and then we'll come to my experience. Okay, now start with taking a toner and applying it all over to your face. like this, like I'm doing, and let it air dry for few seconds before applying the facial oil, because that way the oil gets deeply absorbed by the skin. So this is one of the tricks that I use for all of my skincare. And now when it is done, take the facial oil, don't need much, just take 4 drops of it, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and you are good to go. And just rub it between your palms like this to warm it up a little bit so that it can get absorbed quickly, and then tap it onto your skin really well. Okay, because it is a facial oil, you need to massage it into your skin really well, because that way you will get the full benefit of it. Okay, so just massage it all over your face, and giving your face a quick 5-minute massage is also good for, increasing the blood circulation in your face, which will also lead in making your skin more soft and supple. Okay, so massage it really well into your face, and it is very lightweight oil, so it will not feel heavy on the skin at all. And also don't forget to apply it on your neck, because that is also an important part of your face. And that's it. Give it a good massage, tap it a little bit, and we are done. Okay, and this oil really feels great, and it's not at all heavy on the skin. And this Okay, so my experience with the product was quite good. It was quite okay. It wasn't like oh my god, this is the best oil for me, or this is the best thing that I have used. It wasn't like that. It is one of the most overhyped product, I guess. Okay, so coming to what it claims, that it just claims 2 things. Okay, that it will help in banishing dryness and it will give glowing skin to you. Okay, and if coming to only those 2 points, it does it. Okay, it definitely does it. Like when I was applying it, like when I was using it, I used to get a lot of compliments that my skin was literally glowing, and yes, it was glowing. Okay, if you want that eternal glow and that nice sort of glow on your face, use this oil. This will work best for that. But if you're if you want a product for that would help in reducing your pigmentation, acne scars and all of those things, then this oil is not at all for you, because it doesn't do that. Okay, let me show you a picture of mine, the before and after picture, so that you can clearly differentiate between what it did to my skin and what it didn't. So yeah. So this is the before and after picture of mine. As you can clearly see that in the after picture, my skin looks more hydrated, plumped and glowing. Of course, the best thing that this oil does is it provides a lot of glow to your face, and you will get compliments that you are glowing like a goddess, and because I used to get that. But when it comes to acne scars and all of the pigmentation, you can see it has faded my acne scars a little bit, but it hasn't completely removed it. But my concern is, because I was using this oil for such a long time, it should have removed it. Okay, but it didn't do that. So that's my problem. It doesn't work well on pigmentation and all of those things. But it does provide a lot of glow to your face. So that's the good thing. Okay, so coming to the pros and cons of the product, let me tell you what are the pros of the product and what are the cons. Coming to the pros first, for the price you pay, you get quite a decent amount, so that is good. Okay, so it is not at all heavy on your skin. Okay, so that is also good. It is a lightweight oil. Thirdly, it moisturizes your skin really well. If you have like sort of dry skin or even Sahara skin, so this is good for you, because it will help in moisturizing your skin really well, and it will make your skin soft and plump. Okay, so it does provide a natural glow to your face, which is the best thing that it does. It makes you feel like a goddess, because your skin will glow that much, and that is the thing that I love the most about the product. And for that, I would give it like 5 stars for the glow. It does provide a glow to my face. It is vegan and cruelty free, so that is also good. And also it does not cause any sort of irritation on my skin. It didn't cause any sort of irritation, so that is also a great thing. So these are its pros. Now coming to the cons, what it didn't do for me, or what was bad about the product. Firstly, it didn't remove my acne scars. Okay, it doesn't work on that. If you have like fresh acne scars, the recent acne scars, it will work a little bit on that thing, but for the older ones, it will not work on the acne scars, as you have already seen in my pic. Okay, so it doesn't even fade my dark circles, because it was written that if you apply if you apply 1 or 2 drops under your eyes also, it will refresh your eyes and it will make it lighter, but it didn't do that as well. it the main thing that I didn't like about it was that I don't know whether it's my assumption or it really happened, but when I was on my first bottle, when I was using my first bottle, I thought it was working very 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 good for me. Like my skin was glowing, even my acne scars were reduced a little bit. Like I was literally happy with the product. But later on, when I was using my second bottle, I felt that it wasn't working like that on my skin anymore, and I was feeling like, even that the glow that the product gave was not that much, and I really don't know why. So I think that it worked on my skin in the initial stages, but as soon, like after a long period of time, it stopped working on my skin. So that is one thing that bothers me a lot. And yeah, so these are the cons. Okay, now coming to the final verdict. Okay, so what is the conclusion? For me, what I think, according to my experience, what I think is, if you are someone with dry skin, okay, if you have the problem of dryness in your skin, if you have a dull and dry sort of skin and your face is dull and dry, then go for this product is really amazing for that thing. Like it really 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 will make your skin soft and plump, and it will provide a glow to your face. For that it is good. But if you are looking for an oil that will reduce your acne scars, pigmentation, blemishes, like if you have any major skin issues and you want to get rid of that, it won't help. Okay, it just do two things, that it will plump your skin and it will make your skin glow. Other than that, I don't think it does anything else. So yeah, if you're looking for a product for just glow, then go for it. If you are looking for a product for your skin problems, then this product is not for you. So that's it for today's video. If you like my video, please give this video a thumbs up and also share it with your friends, and I'll see you next time. Bye.